Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the free whiteboard feature in Canva. It's quite easy. If you open Canva, just search for whiteboard, and if you open the whiteboard you see this. It's a empty white whiteboard with a lot of dots, and you can zoom in and out as much as you want. If you click on templates, you get some really good templates. For example, if you want to use it for a project roadmap, just click on it and the project roadmap then shows up in your whiteboard. And now you can adjust it, personalize it, whatsoever. It's completely the same to every other Canva design from the usability. If you click on elements, you can see that those are somehow special whiteboard elements. For example, you have those sticky notes, you can add them and move them around, and then you can write stuff. You also can use shapes, you have whiteboard graphics and graphics in general. If you go back to the templates, you can see there's so many templates. So you can search for whatever you're using the project roadmap for. There's probably a whiteboard. And the best thing is it's completely for free, so you don't need to use any other apps. You can just do your roadmap or whatever you're doing with the whiteboard right in Canva, where all of your designs are. Yeah, it's super good to have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.